Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today I'm going to conduct a session called topic that is faster RCN. It's object detection using faster RCN. So as of you know, object detection is one of the computer vision tasks which is helpful to identify the object identify or locating the object in the image or video. That is the motto of object detection. So there have been a number of ways there to detect this object. That is, the object detection generally helpful to where is the object in the image. That is the photo here. And there will be a number of ways that like you only look once. That is already explained. In our free time, you can check the playlist. Another one is fast arsenal. That we have to see today, fast arsenal. Another one called single shot detection. This also we discuss later. So you're going to see the fast arsenal first. Let's assume that the visualization or the structure. A simple example. Let's assume that let's have here the input image is there. The input image and the first step in fast RCN is that is generate region purpose network. How it possible? How the task will carry out? The task will be carried out in the region purpose network with the help of anchor boxes. That is, and before that, remember, if the object present in the input image that is known as foreground. If the image is not there, for example, here there is no object, that is considered as a background. That is the thing following the fast RCN. So, first thing is region purpose network. The network identified with the help of working with the anchor boxes. The anchor boxes may be different, vary based on document. That means the image, so the it may detect the object. That means you can say it may vary a size. Say, let's say this is one anchor box, this is another anchor box having the different one. And what is anchor box? Anchor box are the predefined boxes. Helpful to identify the object. And let's say example here the object is aeroplane. That's a big one. So there will be a big anchor box is required for identifying. Here small anchor box is sufficient to identify the object. That is the one we are calling here. So once the anchor box identified means if the object and identified means after next step is IOU. That is intersection union. That is the example. There will be a small picture. Here there will be an image is there. Here the car is there. The yellow line indicate the actual one and green indicate the predicted one. That means the model we are trained here. No, the model will help to identify this area is called as the area we are seeing. No, this is the overlap. This is the IOU intersection overlap. So here and once go for training and predict the actual and predicted thing is here the overlap area is that here the IOU value should be greater than 0.5. That means the model is okay and prediction is okay like that. Predict is good like that. More than the IOU level should be more than 0.5. Next step is once it is over, as of now, this is the faster CNN also one of type of CNN only. After this one, the approach will follow here for convolution purpose. The whatever getting here, no, is everything will done with the help of the model like AlexNet or BGG60 and so on. After the getting this, everything convert to the future map. So once the RPN process over, RPN will get the help of then anchor box. After anchor box, we check the IOU, and after that, whatever there, it will convert it and it become a future map. So next stage is called region of interest. That is ROI pooling. So once this RPN over, next stage is this only. Whatever the conversion done, we are getting the output as a feature map. These feature maps with different sizes. It will forward to the ROI. Here region of interest. Here what happens means the task of ROI is to reduce and make all the feature maps the same size. That is the words. The also plot on the thing. This is the big, somewhat big concept. This will definitely explain the upcoming session with one example how ROI is possible. Moreover, this ROA will fulfill the task with the help of two things called, one is called classifier, another called recursor. So classifier, in the sense, once the object present in that image, like this, it will consider as a foreground. If image is not there, like this means it will say background. And next step is recursor. The recursor, what will do means, once the image is identified, then the object identified, it will make a bounding box that is called a remaining box. It generates a defined bounding box. That's the whole concept of fast RCN. So again repeating, if I input image, the input image having some object that is considered as a fore, foreground, and if no image, that is called a background side. So background once the image is found, it will consider as a background, and whatever things you are getting, that will forward to as a feature map. After converting feature, it will forward to the next step called ROI. And here also, after RPN, it will task into the anchor. The anchor boxes, predefined boxes that are helpful to identify the images properly. After the feature maps coming, it move to the ROI. The ROI, what will do means, will take a and make all the feature maps the same size. Then, with the help of classifier, it will start to identify and go for bounding box concept. Refine the bounding box concept. I hope that you understand the video. Like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.